Alright, little storm blizzard update out here. This is state number 2. I came out here yesterday, snow blowed. Today, I had to do it all over again. So we had all of this to do, all the walk out here to do. Doing the street. I'm down now. I'm doing the back walk here. The snowblower really worked good now. I got it all fixed up, ready to run. I want to show you how much snow we got. I'm doing the back. That's my back door. I couldn't get out my back door today. Yesterday I couldn't get out yesterday either. I had to go through the garage. There's our flag. American flag. Look how much snow we got here. Got over about 5 feet of snow here. With the drift. Well, my little snow blower really cranked up. Really going good, this little thing. Really saved me a lot of work. I can't shovel it. A little storm update. Hope you guys can hear me. I didn't want to shut the blower off. I'm going to put the camera inside. I don't want to get it wet. There's our flag. Still flying. This is the walk to the backyard. I usually go out my back door. Well, this is my steps. Got about, trying to show the video. Got about 15 steps over here to the front. So I usually go out the back, except for the lady upstairs who lives upstairs. All right, I'll talk to you later. We got nowhere to put the snow. Snow's over here. So talk to you later.